subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you can see the latest videos uploaded on my channel.
So friends, this is the package that I have received from Flipkart. So this is the ProDot multicolor ink, which cost me around 433 rupees, including the delivery charges from Flipkart. And this is the multicolor ink, which includes all the 4 colors. So let us open it. Inside the inlet, this is the inside. Since liquid, so packaging is not that great. Okay, so here we have all the photos. So the material is out. So friends, inside the packaging we get these products. This is the magenta, and this is the cyan, this is the yellow, and this is the black color. So for all which you might wondering that ProLite is not any brand of ProDot, this is actually a brand of ProDot only, which is a cost-effective brand. So the buy links of these inks are given in the description